So we have some big updates. The car's painted. Put a transfer case back in. We're working on figuring out the axles, which I think I got solved. We have the oil sandwich adapter inside, all that space in the back. Kind of like a mini K series going on right now. So right now we're just gonna put on the transfer case. See, the axles on this side is done, more or less. The traction bar is pushed all the way back, so that's why the angle has that much angle. So once the alignment's done, I should pull it in. Got a good spacement over here. And this one is in, this was the little problem child, but I think we figured it out. So we just have to continually shave down the edge of the block right there, as you can see. So to have more clearance for the axle to spin, and just reassemble the whole suspension. So now we have that figured out. We're just gonna take those off, take the spindles off, paint them so they look a little better. And now we're just gonna mount the drive shaft. This isn't good. So we got about a 1/4 inch of gap. We've installed the drive shaft and the differential, well, transfer case, sorry. There's two 14s that are missing. I have to go get new ones. The ones I have are damaged, and we have to make a new bracket to somehow mount this to transmission. So we're finished underneath the car. Now we're just gonna start doing a little bit of testing. This is the slave cylinder for the CRV, so we're gonna install it and see how that works. Basically it's supposed to go in here. This spacer bolts on and give this a little bit of an angle. So, we all know whenever you buy something to fix a car, they always work as it's supposed to. So, the problem with this one is the holes do not line up. I'm not sure if you can see it, but they do not line up. So, what I'm going to do is just grind down the bottom a little bit. That should give me enough leverage to slide this in and be able to just have the bolts go through correctly. So since we painted black in the transmission, I'm just going to clean out the threads a bit. And that one's good. And that's number 2. So there it is. The slave cylinder is mounted. Let's put a little bit of lube in there. And I'm just gonna connect this braided line. Take it off the old H22 one, install into that. And I think we should have the clutch system worked out for now. Take this off right too. Just gotta make it snug, you don't have to destroy it. So this is the line, just gotta hook it up, and that will be it. I'm gonna leave this a little bit loose, so until we figure out how we're gonna mount the clutch and everything. The clutch line, sorry. As you can see, a whole bunch of room for activities going on back here. So there's a lot of stuff I'm gonna have to figure out how I want to have it placed and how I want to have it run before we finalize this fitting. But more than likely, the thermostat housing is going to go here, go down, probably going to run it up here, somewhere like that, and figure out how to make that look a little prettier. Or I may just have to buy a shorter one, but yeah, let's work with what we have for right now.
Let's go.